Understanding Nagano Tonic, key ingredients and how they work. Nagano Lean Body Tonic is a natural powdered supplement designed to support weight loss and overall wellness. It's inspired by the dietary habits of residents in Nagano Prefecture, Japan, a region known for longevity and health. The tonic works through three main mechanisms to support weight management. Let's explore the key ingredients that make Nagano Tonic effective. Additional powerful ingredients in the formula provide complementary benefits. A key process activated by ingredients like EGCG is thermogenesis, which helps burn calories. Several ingredients in Nagano Tonic support gut health, which is crucial for effective weight management. The tonic also addresses the connection between stress and weight gain. The Nagano Tonic formula has been recently updated with additional benefits. By understanding how each ingredient works, you can maximize the benefits of Nagano Tonic as part of your wellness journey. To achieve the best results with Nagano Tonic, proper usage and lifestyle integration are essential. The recommended dosage is 1 scoop daily, mixed with water or your favorite beverage. Many users find it most effective to take Nagano Tonic in the morning to kickstart their day with sustained energy. It's important to drink 16 to 20 ounces of water immediately after consuming the tonic. This helps with hydration and proper absorption of the ingredients. For optimal results, use Nagano Tonic consistently for at least 3 to 6 months. Nagano Tonic is not a quick fix. It works best when paired with a balanced lifestyle. This includes a clean diet rich in lean proteins, high-fiber vegetables, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Regular exercise is also essential. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily, including a mix of cardiovascular exercise and strength training. Quality sleep and stress management complement the tonic's effects. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and practice mindfulness to manage stress levels. Before starting any new supplement regimen, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. To ensure you're getting an authentic product, always purchase Nagano Tonic from the official website. Every purchase is backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee, giving you peace of mind. Keep in mind that individual results may vary. Nagano Tonic is not a quick fix, but rather supports steady fat reduction, reduced cravings, and improved energy levels when used as part of a healthy lifestyle. Let's summarize the keys to success with Nagano Tonic. Take 1 scoop daily, preferably in the morning. Drink plenty of water, use consistently, and maintain a balanced lifestyle with healthy diet and regular exercise. Remember, combining Nagano Tonic with a healthy lifestyle will lead to the best and most sustainable results.